Hello, and welcome to the latest update on the commodities market from Ajayasthro Maniguru, where we bring you the most up-to-date analysis and insights. Today, on the 27th of August 2024, we are focusing on copper prices, which have surged to a 6-week high, along with a quick overview of other key metals. Copper prices in London have seen a notable increase, climbing nearly 1% on Tuesday. This surge brought copper to its highest level in almost 6 weeks, driven by growing optimism about a potential interest rate cut by the US Federal Reserve in September. Such a move could stimulate economic growth, increasing the demand for copper, a critical metal in construction and manufacturing. As of early trading, 3-month copper on the London Metal Exchange (LME) was up by 0.8%, reaching $9,365 per metric ton. During the session, prices even touched a high of $9,385.50 per ton, the strongest since July 19. Over in China, the most traded October copper contract on the Shanghai Futures Exchange (SHFE) saw a similar trend, gaining 0.9% to 75,020 yuan per ton, approaching a 3-week high. The rise in copper prices is closely linked to market expectations of a rate cut by the Federal Reserve. Recent comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell at a key conference have reinforced these expectations. A rate cut typically supports economic growth, which in turn boosts demand for metals like copper. Additionally, a lower interest rate tends to weaken the US dollar, making dollar-denominated metals more affordable for international buyers, further supporting prices. However, it's worth noting that traders believe the current price levels already reflect many of these factors. For copper to sustain a more significant rally, there would need to be a clear and sustained improvement in fundamental demand. Moving on to other metals, nickel on the LME rose by 1.3% to $16,980 per ton, while aluminum saw a decline of 1.1%, settling at $2,513.50 per ton. Zinc eased by 0.2% to $2,907.50. Tin dropped 0.8% to $32,650, and lead remained relatively steady at $2,117.50 per ton. In the Chinese market, the SHFE saw nickel increase by 1.4% to 132,320 yuan per ton, with lead advancing 0.4% to 17,695 yuan. On the other hand, aluminum dipped by 0.2% to 19,880 yuan, zinc fell 0.3% to 23,975 yuan, and tin shed 0.7% to 265,820 yuan per ton. Additionally, the LME cash nickel contract was trading at a discount of $220.10 per ton to the 3-month contract. This marks the smallest discount since mid-May, indicating a tighter supply situation in the near term. That's all for today's update. Keep following Ajayasthro Maniguru for the latest insights and analysis on the commodities market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.